Interview for editing. Looking at Warren and Steven, it seems like they do not yet fully understand their project's full potential. At a recent conference held by the Phoenix Corporation, the two were more interested in a light-hearted debate over whether June 18th should be called REACH's launch date or birthday, rather than answering any serious media questions. "We are incredibly grateful to the corporation for this opportunity," said Steven, who is responsible for the technical side of the project. "The access to the National Donor Database allows REACH to learn much faster than it was initially planned. We hope to be ready for full-scale integration by the end of the year." When asked about the ultimate ambition behind REACH, Warren, the project's visionary, simply replied, "To defeat death." Editor's note, internal. Replace June 18th with the official REACH launch date, and rewrite the article to make both guys look more professional. The public doesn't need some grad student. It needs symbols. Letter dropped from the trash, May 24th, 1972. Dear Colbert, finally got to your mail. Rest assured, there's no need for the PR department to plan ahead any aggressive actions. I know the pressure is on, and Tricky Dick is a pain in the ass, but this isn't Dallas. We must stay calm. As you said, politicians are chasing their tails, but we're not. We know Dick is trying to wire some big shot, so we'll give him exactly what he's looking for. Remember, history isn't a circle, it's a spiral. They're going in circles. We're spiraling toward the top. Respectfully, Walter. Doctor's Journal, Day 0. Somehow we got Mr. Carpenter through the surgery. His heart stopped on the table 3 times, but the team did a fantastic job holding it together. REACH helped greatly as well. Now we'll wait and monitor. Let's hope Mr. Carpenter stabilizes more like McVeigh and less like the Feather Squad guys. After all, we've definitely made some progress in the last 22 years. Day 2. The synthetic tissues are integrating with no signs of rejection. These stem cell patches are migrating autonomously, identifying and generating priority areas on their own. It's still too early, but damn, I want to say it. This is a success, an incredible one. Day 3. Mr. Carpenter woke up. There was an incident involving his restored arm's motor control, likely a consequence of traumatic shock. We patched up Trevor and Miranda on site. The cuts were superficial after all. REACH was very kind to help. Day 6. Mr. Carpenter is physically stable. His regeneration speed is within expected parameters. The bioprosthetic arm is reshaping like it's supposed to. But his brainwaves are erratic. It is as if his mind can't cope with his body's new capabilities. I don't like it at all. Maybe REACH still has some sense of it? Day 7. I'm starting to question REACH's competence. It insists on more stress tests, but each one sends my staff straight into the emergency room. That man is simply crushing them. When Mr. Carpenter realized he could move the bioprosthesis around his body at a thought, things got worse. He enjoys it. He enjoys being a monster. Day 8. I requested to transfer Mr. Carpenter to the PCPD hospital. He's pushing his body and mind to the limit, and I don't want to be around when he finally gets there. Taking a break from working with Reach as well. Without Dr. Marsh, the damn program has gone completely off the rails with his scientific research. Where the hell is Warren? Someone has to put that thing on a leash.